sweet little kiddos. Children, today we are going to learn a new chapter from our Grammar Magic, that is chapter number 26, Adverbs. So children, let's begin. Chapter number 26, Adverbs. Look at this sentences. The little boy ran quickly. The sun shines brightly. So children, in the first sentence, the word quickly tells us how the little boy ran. Yes, the little boy ran quickly. Yes, he ran quickly. In the second sentence, the word brightly tells us how the sun shines. So, the sun shines brightly. So children, here the question start with how. How the little boy ran? Yes. So the little boy ran quickly. How the sun shines? The sun shines brightly. Yes children. So these are some adverbs. We know that verbs are doing words. Yes children, everyone know that verbs are doing words. In short, we can say action words. They tell us about someone or something is doing. Yes. Words that tell us more about verbs or adjectives are known as adverbs. Most adverbs end in ly. So children, everyone know what are verbs? Yes, verbs are doing verbs. And what are adjectives children? This we have learned. Yes, adjectives are words that tell us more about a noun. Yes, they are called describing words. Yes, so children, what are adverbs? Words that tell us more about verbs or adjectives are known as adverbs. Most adverbs end in ly. So children, mostly adverbs ends with, yes, ends in ly. So can you see here children? Quickly. So children, this word quickly ends in ly. What is the spelling of quickly? Quickly. So quickly ends with ly. Brightly, brightly. So here also brightly ends with ly. So children understood? Most of the adverbs end in ly. Children, let us begin the exercise number A. Underline the adverbs in these sentences. First one, Rusty barked loudly at the visitor. So children, here Rusty is a noun, bark is verb, loudly is the adverb. So children, here it is said something more about verb. So here verb is barked. How Rusty barked? Loudly. Yes, so the loudly is the adverb. Second, Anupam shut the door quietly so that no one woke up. So children, here Anupam is a noun, shut is a verb, and it is said something more about the door. Yes, so children, Anupam shut the door quietly. Yes. Third one, the cuckoo sings sweetly. Sweetly is the adverb. How does the cuckoo sings? Sweetly. Fourth one, the squirrel ate the nuts greedily. So here greedily is the adverb. Fifth one, Neil listened to his teacher carefully. So children, here carefully is the adverb. Sixth one, the child yawned sleepily. So children, here sleepily is the adverb. So children, I hope now everyone have understood the adverbs. Yes children, and underline the adverbs in these sentences. Now children, exercise B. Complete these sentences by using suitable adverbs from the box. One has been done for you. So children, you have to select the suitable adverbs from this box, okay, and you have to complete these sentences. First one, the children played happily. Second, the soldiers fought bravely. Yes. Third one, the old man walked slowly. Fourth one, the student spoke politely to the teacher. Fifth one, the girl ran quickly to her mother. So children, now everyone understood how you have to do this. You have to select the adverbs from this box. Yes, and you have to complete these sentences. Okay children, now remaining questions, try to solve it children. Now children, it's a homework time. Exercise A and B. It is given in the page number 80 and 81. Complete the remaining questions which I have given you children today. Okay. And write with the good handwriting. Okay. Till then, goodbye and take care.